Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "Expect the best, and prepare for the worst. Failure is a word unknown to me. Think 100 times before you take a decision is taken, stand by it as one man. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision, and make it right. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve." About founder of Pakistan. Born the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi. Died the 11th of September 1948 in Karachi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan, and also first Governor General of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.